Today we are going to see about the fourth max, about unit 5, that is the time. So in time we are going to see the calendar. Okay. So in this calendar we are going to see the calendar, what we are seeing, the months, the year, the weeks and the days. You know how many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. How many days? 31 days. 1 month 30 days, or some of the months are 31 days. How many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. So you have already learnt about this in 3rd standard. Now we are going to see about the poem. One teacher writes a day of the week in balloons and asks the students to hold the balloons. So each children are holding the balloons on one balloon. They are written Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So all the 7 children are standing here and having the balloons in the hand with the names of the days. So Sun, Sunday, let's have fun. So teacher is teaching a song about the days of a week. Sun, Sunday, let's have fun. Mama, Monday, morning is so cool. Tuesday, tickle your friend. Wawa, Wednesday, jump up high. Thursday, reach the sky. Fa, Friday, eat healthy to be strong. Saturday, all sit down. So like this the poem, she memorized. So you can easily memorize. But all the children's are very good. So you might have known the Sunday, Monday. This rhyming is very good. So take your book and page number 62 and learn this one. So let's get up. It's a new day. So today is a new day. The earth goes round and round around the sun, and that's why all new days. So each and every day is a new day. So earth goes round and round. So on the earth rotate together, we got a day and night, and every day we got a new day around the sun. All day is a new day. So each day is different. Over days namalku romba different happy. So here in exercise number 5.1. about the time, they are talking about the calendar. 5.1 calendar. Here they are given the answer the following questions. Some of the questions they are given, we have to answer the following questions. So take your book, page number 63. Page number 63. Answer the following. So in this, which is the first day of the week? So we got 7 days in a week. So week. How many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. How many days? There are 7 days in a week. That is Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So these are the 7 days in a week. Okay. So now we are going to answer the following questions. Which is the first day of the week? Which is the first day? So let me say, which is the first day of the week? Sunday is the first day of the week. So Sunday is the first day of the week. So you can write the answer Sunday. Next one, how many days do you come to school in a week? How many days you are coming? 5 days you are coming. How many days you come to school? You come to school. Name them. So how many days you are coming to the school? You are coming to school 5 days. 5 days, and name them. What are the days? Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So these are the 5 days you are coming to the school regularly. Some of the Saturdays you might be having the school, some of the Saturdays you might be having the holiday. So 5 days regularly you are coming to the school. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. How many days are holidays in a week? How many days are holidays? Only 2 days. Saturday and Sunday. I'll write at the top. How many days are holidays? How many days are holidays in a week? Name them. So Saturday, 2 days. How many days now? You have to write 2 days, and then only you have to name those holidays. So 2 days holiday. 2 days. How many days are holidays? 2 days holiday. They are Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Now, which is the third day of the week? Which is the third day? So, we have written the names here. So, third day of the week is Tuesday. Which is the third day of the week? Third day of the week is Tuesday. So that's all the question answer in this 4 question answers. And here they are given the unscramble the days given below and write the days of the week in order. They are given some of the words. Unscramble means they have been giving the words in a scramble. Differently they are given. They are changed and given, and we have to write it this in a correct order. So first one they are given. So I am writing the answer here. Question also Trudhay. So we have to write the correct answer. Then so given like this. So we have to arrange it in a properly. We have to write this in a correct order, and then we have to write the 7 days in a week in a correct way. So this one, and yes, DU. So these are the unscrambled words. Each and every word they are given in different way. So now we can write Thursday, THURSDAY, Thursday. Here it is Friday. Then this is Sunday. Third one is Sunday. And fourth one is Monday. And fifth one is Tuesday. And sixth one is Wednesday. So you have to unscramble this or scramble these words in a correct way. And Saturday. So after this, you have to write. So the first word is Thursday, and this is Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. Again we have to write this in a correct order. So we can write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So this is the exercise number 5.1 question answers. Now we will move on to the next one. Marking the dates. Page number 64. Take children. Page number 64. Page number 64 in this, they are given the calendar, so you have to mark it properly. Page number 64. Unit 5 only. So in this, marking the dates, they are given April 2019. What is that? April 2019, they are given the calendar. So you have to write today's date is, what will be the date after tomorrow? What was the day before yesterday? Some of the questions they have been asking. So here you have to write the calendar. April 2019 he has given. 2019 April. So this is 2019 April. So this is April 2019 on Sunday, Monday, and 1, 2, 30 days of September, April, July numbers. So you can write 30 days. Eight, 29, 30. So here I have written the calendar of April 2019. So from this calendar only we have to answer the questions. Answer the following. Answer the following in page number 64. Today's date. So what is the today's date? Today's date is 3/11 October. So 3/10. Okay, 3/10/2020 today's date. What will be the day after tomorrow? What will be the day after tomorrow? Day after tomorrow. Here you can see the 3rd is the Wednesday. So day after tomorrow is, in the day is 3rd. I have written 3rd, no? So day after tomorrow. Day after, na, in the Wednesday after is Thursday. After the tomorrow is Friday. So what will be the day after tomorrow is Friday. Today is Tuesday. Okay. Friday. Then what was the day before yesterday? What was the day before yesterday? Before yesterday is, so today I say 3rd, no? So 3rd, na, day before, 2. Day before yesterday, that is Monday. Then what will be the date of next Friday? What will be the date? What will be the date of next Friday? Next Friday is 12th date. Oh, 12th you can write. See the calendar and write. How many days are there in this month? How many days? How many days are there in this month? So in this month, how many days are there? There is 30 days. So you can write 30. Month of March. Month of March ends in dash. Month of March ends in dash. ஸோ மார்ச் வந்து இப்போ ஏப்ரல் ஃபஸ்ட்டில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சுன்னா மார்ச் வந்து சண்டே தான் முடிஞ்சிருக்கும். ஸோ யூ கேன் ரைட் மந்த் ஆஃப் மார்ச் எண்ட்ஸ் இன் சண்டே. ஸோ எந்த மந்த் இப்போ திஸ் மந்த் ஏப்ரல் 30 டியூஸ்டேயில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சுன்னா நெக்ஸ்ட் 1 வந்து முடிஞ்சதுன்னா 1 வந்து வெனஸ்டேயில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும் லைக் தட். ஸோ 1 மண்டேயில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிருக்குன்னா மந்த் ஆஃப் த எண்டு மார்ச் வந்து சண்டேயில் வந்திருக்கும். ஸோ தட் வில் பி த சண்டே. தென் 7th ஒன், வாட் வில் பி த டே? இது என்ன டேன்னு சம் ஆஃப் த டேட் தே ஆர் கிவன், வி ஹேவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் வாட் வில் பி த டே. தட் இஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் 4 days. 4 days after 11th April. And then this is the one. The second one is 7 days before 19th April. So 4 days after 11th April. 11th April is here. After means you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 15th. Okay, 15. Then 7 days before 19th April. 7 days before 19, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. முன்னாடி count பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So that is 12th. This is 15th. Okay. So this is the question answer. We have to see today's date is, today's I have written 10. And what will be the day after tomorrow? In the day, next day after tomorrow is Friday. What will be, what is the day before yesterday? Day before na Wednesday before yesterday is Monday. Okay. Yeah. So these are the questions you have to say from the calendar and write the answer. And here they are given the activities. Write the birthdays of all your family members in the given timetable. Answer the following. Who is the oldest? You got to write the father, mother or grandfather, grandmother. You can write all of the name and day, months and year. And after that, who is the oldest member in your family? Oldest member is ரொம்ப வயசானவங்க. Then who is the youngest? ரொம்ப சின்னவங்க. What's the difference in their age? So அவங்களுக்கு இவங்களுக்கு what will be the difference? And when will you celebrate your 12th birthday? So all this you can write on your own. Now compute the number of weeks in a year. Because this they are given the 2019 calendar, January to December, page number 65. Okay, now the calendar shows the week and month of the year and festival, month, date and day. So they given the Pongal, Independence Day and Republic Day. So we have to write which month is coming, Pongal, and Independence Day which and Republic Day. Okay, now we will move on to the next one, page number 65. So in this page, they are given the April, January to December, April fully, the calendar they are given, January to December, calendar they are given. In this, from this calendar, we can write the some of the festivals also they are given, Pongal, Independence Day and Republic Day. From that, we have to write the answer the following questions. So take page number 65. Look at the current year calendar. So current year calendar is, okay, we'll write this current year calendar and fill the table. Here they given the festival. Look at the current year calendar. And fill. Festival, month, date and day. So they given all this. So Pongal, they are given first is the Pongal, Independence Day, Republic Day. So these are the days they are given. So Pongal is come on January 14th. So the date is January 14th and the day is Monday. And Independence Day, it comes on August 15th. So August 15th is Thursday. Then Republic Day is January 26th. That is Saturday. So this they are given. And question is here, which festival comes sooner from today? So this we will see it in the next class, children. Thank you.